Yeah, let's continue to talk about the function. And here you have this we have this function that, as we in the previous video, we see how the values that we have declared here before the function, it is passing through the parameters, and then it change. So pay attention to ampersand value in order to pass that information, right? And it's possible when you use in and out, right? So let's talk about a return. The function you have made and so far haven't returned anything, and that says that it's done, and they haven't sent anything back to where they were calling from. And the function can do that too. You can define the function with return type that tells Swift what kind of value the function will return, and this value can then be used or stored as need. So you have to take a look at the following function. It is like this function called workon, and it's receiving a name, right? So you have something that is going to declare, right, and also um, return some value. So you have this value here, and since you also explain and also put the return, you are going to show it, right? But here we have another feature that called implicit return. So it means that if you specify the return, you are going to receive these parameters, but but you are going to return this. You don't need to specify the return. Swift know automatically that it's going to be returning this value, right? So if you see, you can finish the following function when it's done, and also update string instead of to directly print it, right? So you have green, and also you have here these values, right? Yeah. Let's continue. We can also in function use something that they call default values. The default values, it's sometimes some values fixed in some variable that you can pass, right, that information, right? And we have also the variadic. Variadic is when you pass many values in just one variable. It's something like a array, so you can pass many values in the params, separate by comma, and yeah, and you can pass no matter how many values you are going to use to do it, right? And yeah, let's continue regarding the function. We have also um, here like the label, right? And also we have here values, right, that you are going to jump it. Yep. um yeah, some expression as well that you can that you but here, yeah, you are going to pass the string, specifying the string, right? Yeah, and that's the way as Swift work. It's so flexible, and help you so much to do it. We have also here the function without any label, right? We have labels, right? Yeah, in this case we're going to use type alias, right? And returning the multi-type, right? And here is a function, don't have to stand alone, right? And listed as well. So mhm. So here is a very important topic that we have. It's like a called enums. Enums is very important to use it because if you have different values, so instead of to copy the string that you are going to use, you just have to specify the enums that you have and just tell which value you are going to pass. No string, it's the specific value that you are going to save. So it's very useful to use enums here, and it's another way. So in the playground, you just type like a click on or type on dot, and it's going to show you all the options that you have in the enums that you set, right? Like here, right, you can check some values here, and here another example using enums, right? It's just to create some values like enum, the name, and also the cases that you have, right? um yeah, let's continue here with the task I recommend you to use. It's a very simple topic that we were talking in the in the chapter 4. Yeah, and that's it. So thank you for the time, and we continue in the next chapter 5, talk about closure. Closure is super important topic, so hope that you pay attention.